Amazon's big deal days may be over, but the Walmart October Deals event, it's still going strong. The best part? You don't even need a Walmart Plus subscription to take advantage of these amazing deals. We've rounded up some of the best offers so you can save big. Make sure to watch it till the end, because deals on products like these won't last long. All the mentioned deals links are in the description. Number 30, folding electric bike. Save up to 48%, now priced at $250, down from the original price of $479. On number 30, you have This A Bike, which comes with a 350-watt high-speed brushless motor for smooth, quiet rides, reaching up to 15.5 miles per hour. Its 270-watt-hour Li-ion battery charges quickly in 3 to 4 hours, giving you extended riding time. The foldable, lightweight steel frame makes it easy to carry and store, while double disc brakes and non-slip wheels provide stability. The saddle has shock absorption, and adjustable seat height ensures comfort. Number 29, Guukin Queen Mattress. Here you are saving up to 60%, now priced at $161, listed price was $410. This 12-inch queen hybrid mattress combines memory foam and springs for balanced medium comfort. It features breathable micro-ventilation holes and individual pocket coils to reduce motion transfer and enhance sleep quality. Made with CertiPur US certified memory foam and premium 3D knitted fabric, it offers ergonomic support and pressure relief. Compatible with all frame types, this queen mattress weighs about 73 pounds. Number 28, Forno French Door Refrigerator. Originally priced at $2,469. It is now priced at $1,230, saving you up to 50%. This refrigerator is Energy Star certified, featuring a compressor inverter for energy efficiency with high-efficiency LED lighting. The fresh food compartment offers 12 cubic feet of storage with 3 adjustable glass shelves, a gallon bin, and easy-to-access crisper drawers. A no-frost air cooling system paired with an intelligence chip temperature. The bottom freezer includes 1 pull-out drawer with 2 internal drawers, a removable ice bucket, and an automatic ice maker producing up to 4 pounds of ice daily. Number 27, LG C5 LED. Originally, its price was $2,499, now $1,386, saving you massive up to 44%. It delivers ultra-realistic picture and sound with bright, high-contrast visuals, even in well-lit rooms. The TV uses AI to adjust the picture and sound settings based on what you're watching. With a slim, almost invisible bezel, it fits seamlessly into your space. LG's WebOS 25 makes it easy to find and stream content, while Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos offer amazing color, contrast, and immersive sound. Filmmaker mode lets you watch movies the way the director intended. Number 26, Homall U-shaped sofa set. Save up to 43%, now priced at $349, down from the original price of $615. This U-shaped sectional couch features a solid wood frame, sponge fill, and spring pack for a modern look. It includes an extra-wide chaise lounge for comfort. The ultra-soft velvet fabric upholstery and loose back pillows add to the plush feel. It comfortably seats up to 6 people and comes in various vibrant colors. The seat cushions are made of memory foam, high-density foam, and steel springs. The extra-large seats can handle the weight of people up to 270 pounds. Number 25, Costway washing machine. Again, a great deal, saving you up to 48%, now priced at $166, down from the original price of $319. This practical washing machine features a 2-in-1 design with separate tubs for washing and spinning, making laundry more convenient. It comes with flexible timers, 15 minutes for washing and 5 minutes for spinning, with 3 modes for customized care. The machine offers an 18-pound washing capacity and an 8-pound drying capacity, handling a variety of laundry needs. Powered by a 280-watt washing motor and 140-watt spinning motor, it ensures fast, efficient cleaning. Number 24, Frigidaire chest freezer. Don't miss this deal. Originally, its price was $299, now $198, saving you up to 34%. This 7.0 cubic foot freezer is perfect for keeping all your favorite frozen foods and treats fresh. Built garage ready, it stays steady in temperatures from 0 degrees Fahrenheit to 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Easy external controls let you adjust without losing cold air, while the power on light gives peace. With a removable basket for flexible storage and a handy defrost drain, it's a smart, reliable choice. Number 23, Countertop Dishwasher. Now, save up to 47%, now priced at $245, down from the original price of $459. This portable countertop dishwasher offers 5 cleaning modes, including normal, quick, ECO, and fruit mode for versatile cleaning. It supports 2 water supply options, a built-in 5-liter tank or direct faucet connection. Adjustable racks hold over 30 dishes up to 10 inches. With a 360-degree spray arm and high-pressure jets, it delivers thorough cleaning. User-friendly features include an LED touchscreen, high-temperature drying, and interior LED lights. Number 22, HOVERMAX Electric Scooter. This electric scooter was originally priced at $799, but it is now 61% off at around $308. A powerful 500-watt brushless motor delivers speeds up to 19 miles per hour and climbs slopes of 10 to 15 degrees with ease. The scooter boasts a long-lasting battery offering a 22-mile range, supporting up to 330 pounds. Smart app connectivity enables mode switching, mileage tracking, and added security with a lock feature. Designed for comfort, it features 10-inch honeycomb tires and rear shock absorbers. Safety is enhanced with turn signals and electronic brake plus disc brake technology, while 3 speed modes cater to different needs. With its foldable design, it's both portable and space efficient. Number 21, Countertop Ice Maker. This deal can save you up to 51%, now priced at $62, down from the original price of $128. This portable ice maker delivers fresh bullet-shaped ice in just 6 minutes, producing up to 26 pounds daily with a 1.2-liter water tank and quiet operation under 45 decibels. Compact and lightweight, it's perfect for home, office, camping, or parties. Features include smart sensors with ice full and fill alerts, a self-cleaning mode, easy controls, and a transparent window. Includes handle, basket, scoop, and comes with a 12-month warranty. Number 20, AstroAI Tire Inflator. Save up to 84%, now priced at $19, down from the original price of $119. This digital tire inflator makes car care fast and effortless. Its bright screen shows real-time pressure with precision, while the auto shutoff stops inflation exactly at your preset level. No guesswork needed. It inflates most tires in minutes and runs continuously for up to 15 minutes. With a long power cord, flexible hose, and built-in LED light, it's your go-to tool for quick, reliable inflation anytime, anywhere. Number 19, 4-piece pots. Available now for about $69, originally $129, giving you an impressive 46% discount today. This charming cookware set includes a 2-quart saucepan, 4-quart stockpot, 11-inch frying pan, and a universal stainless steel lid. Inspired by Steamboat Willie, it features a Mickey Mouse-shaped knob, embossed musical notes, and decorative rivets. The non-stick triple-layer coating ensures easy cleaning, while ergonomic handles offer comfort. Stackable for space-saving storage with protective pan covers, it's dishwasher safe, oven safe up to 445 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 18, Ninja Personal Blender. Again, you are saving up to 43%, now priced at $39, down from the price of $70. Its 16-ounce vessel is perfect for smoothies and protein shakes. With a comfortable carry handle and sip lid, you can blend and drink from the same container. Advanced Ninja Blast technology, combined with a ribbed vessel and durable stainless steel blast blade, ensures efficient blending. The BPA-free lid and vessel are dishwasher safe with a self-cleaning function. Number 17, Immersion Blend. Save up to 63%, now priced at $25, down from the original price of $68. This 1,000-watt immersion blender delivers powerful, efficient blending for smoothies, sauces, baby food, and more. The versatile 5-in-1 kit includes a whisk, mixer, milk frother, 500-milliliter chopper, and 600-milliliter measuring cup for diverse kitchen tasks. With 20-speed settings and a turbo button, easy one-hand operation, detachable stainless steel blades, BPA-free containers, and an ergonomic design. Number 16, Automatic Cat Litter Box. Now it's priced at $239, saving you up to 49%, down from the original price of $468. This advanced litter box features automatic door flap technology to seal odors and operates quietly at just 40 decibels. It comes with intelligent sensor fusion for safe, efficient use. It connects via Wi-Fi to the AirPet app to monitor your cat's weight, activity, productivity and health. With 57 liters of design, low entry, self-cleaning function, sealed waste compartment, and app control. Number 15. HP Victus Gaming Laptop. Purchase this heavy gaming laptop now for $599 instead of $1,049 to save a significant 43% right away. This HP gaming laptop is powered by the 13th generation Intel Core i5-13-420H processor, delivering high performance for gaming and everyday tasks while staying cool and efficient. It features an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050 laptop GPU with 6GB GDDR6 memory, providing lifelike graphics, smooth high FPS gaming, and fast performance for creative apps. With 16GB DDR4 RAM, multitasking is seamless and responsive. Number 14. AVAPOW Car Jump Starter. Here you can save up to 50%, now priced at $79, down from the original price of $159. This car jump starter provides 4,000 peak current and a 27,800 milliamp hour capacity, making it easy to start all 12-volt cars, motorcycles, UTVs, and even lawnmowers or snowmobiles in just a few minutes. It can handle gas engines or diesel engines up to 10 liters, and a full charge can jumpstart up to 40 times. With built-in safety features like protection from short circuits, low battery, high temperatures, and reverse connections, it ensures safe operation. Number 13. Veatool A9. Now you are getting a massive cut of up to 70%, now available at $16. Listed price was $139. These wireless earbuds deliver immersive stereo sound and crystal clear calls with noise-canceling microphones. ANC creates a peaceful listening experience, while ENC keeps you aware of surroundings. Their ergonomic, waterproof design offers comfort. Smart touch controls on the charging case manage volume, tracks, calls, and more. Enjoy up to 5 hours of playback per charge. Number 12. Bigzzia Gaming Chair. This gaming chair can save you up to 47%, now priced at $79, down from the price of $149. This ergonomic gaming chair features an adjustable headrest and lumbar support for long sessions. Its modern design suits work, gaming, or relaxation, while durable construction includes a reinforced frame, sturdy base, smooth rolling casters, and SGS certified gas lift for users up to 110 kilograms. Adjustable features include a massage lumbar cushion, tilt lock, arm height, and headrest. Number 11. L-shaped sectional sofa. Save up to 82%, now priced at $261, down from the original price of $1,399. This modern L-shaped four-seater sofa offers ultimate comfort with double-layered cushions, memory foam, and a spring pack for lasting support. Featuring a reversible storage ottoman, side pockets, and movable back cushions, it adapts to living rooms, offices, or apartments. Built with a solid wood frame supporting up to 1,000 pounds, it includes removable, machine-washable cushions in breathable linen fabric, easy to assemble without tools for convenience and style. Number 10. Lofka Dining Table Set. A 65% discount on this table set. Right now it's priced at $129, down from the original price of $369. This dining table set is perfect for many places like dining rooms, breakfast areas. The set is made from strong, corrosion-resistant metal and glass, and the chair is covered with comfortable PU leather. The tabletop is waterproof, easy to clean, and hard to scratch. The metal frame is sturdy and holds up to 250 pounds for the table, and 330 pounds for the chair. The chairs can be stored under the table when not in use, making it great for small spaces like apartments or studios. Number 9. EcoFlow Delta 2. Now you are getting up to 53% of discount, now priced at $419, down from the price of $899. It offers expandable capacity from 1 to 3 kilowatt hours to suit your power needs, and you can add extra batteries, 1,974 watt hours with the Delta 2 extra battery, or 2,966 watt hours with the Delta Max extra battery. Its 1,800 watts AC output powers over 90% of home appliances, and X-Boost technology prevents overloads up to 2,200 watts while allowing you to plug in up to 15 devices at once. Fast Charging Extreme technology powers the unit from 0 to 80% in just 50 minutes and 0 to 100% in 80 minutes using AC input. Number 8. Jiumess Power Bank. Save up to 45%, now priced at $19, down from the listed price of $35. This 20,000 mAh power bank offers large capacity to charge most smartphones 3 to 5 times and works with iPhone, Android, tablets, and Bluetooth headsets. It includes built-in USB-C, micro USB, and iOS cables, plus a USB-A input cable for convenience. With 2.1A fast charging, an LED display for battery status, multiple safety protections, and a compact portable design, it's ideal for travel, camping, and daily use. Number 7. Spark Electric Bike. Priced at $718 instead of $1,167, you're getting a solid 38% off today. This electric motorcycle style bike features a powerful 750 watt plus high-speed brushless motor, 7-speed transmission, and 4 riding modes for tackling streets, trails, beaches, snow, mud, and grass. It reaches speeds over 20 miles per hour and includes a removable UL2 8A49 certified 48-volt 13 amp hour battery, equipped with dual motorcycle grade brakes, suspension, fat tires, and a color LCD display. It offers safety, comfort, and performance. Arrives mostly assembled with tools and support included. Number 6. Shiatsu Shoulder Neck Massager. This massager can save you up to 62%, now priced at $25, down from the original price of $69. This neck massager comes with 8 massage nodes for a deep kneading experience, helping to relieve fatigue and promote blood circulation. The optional heating function adds warmth for extra comfort. It's easy to use with 4 buttons to power on, off, adjust speed, heating, and massage direction, letting you tailor the massage to your needs. It's designed for full body use, including the neck, back, legs, and waist. Enjoy relaxation anytime and anywhere with the included handbag for portability. Number 5. Smart Door Knob. On this lock, you can save up to 43%. It's priced at $39 from the original price of $69. It features a 3-in-1 unlocking system with fingerprint recognition, app control, and traditional key access to suit different preferences. Its companion app lets you add fingerprints and passwords, check unlock history, and set features like auto lock, passage mode, and privacy mode for extra convenience and security. The biometric system recognizes fingerprints in just 0.1 seconds, supports up to 100 fingerprints, and allows 50 access codes for family members. Number 4. Hardshell Luggage Set. Save up to 64%, now priced at $84, down from the original price of $238. This luggage set is made from durable 100% ABS material, offering impact and scratch resistance while weighing just 22.05 pounds. It features smooth, silent spinner wheels, TPR soft handles, and an adjustable aluminum pull rod for comfort. With secure combination and TSA locks, organized interiors, elegant textured finishes, and additional features like a business card holder and handlebag support, it's designed for convenience, durability, and style during travel. Number 3. Solar Security Camera. You can save up to 70%, down from the original price of $170. It's now priced at $45. It provides sharp images and smooth live streaming. Its built-in motion sensor detects any kind of movements. With color and infrared night vision, it ensures clear images in low light. Auto tracking follows moving objects, while two-way audio lets you communicate remotely. The weatherproof IP66 rating withstands harsh weather, powered by a 5-watt solar panel or a 10,000 milliamp hour rechargeable battery. It offers 60 to 90 days of continuous operation. Number 2. Norelco Oneblade 360. Save up to 21%, now priced at $29, down from the original price of $37. This shaver features advanced Oneblade technology with a cutter moving 12,000 times per minute for fast, precise shaving, even on longer hairs. Its 360-degree flex blade adapts to contours for close, comfortable trimming. The dual protection system ensures smooth skin contact, while the 5-in-1 comb offers versatile trimming. Fully waterproof with long-lasting stainless steel blades, USB charging, and a compact design, it's perfect for both home use and travel. Number 1. Home Gym Station. Finally, on this product, you can save up to 44%, now priced at $523, down from the original price of $1,009. The Home Gym Station is an all-in-one fitness solution offering over 90 exercises for a complete full-body workout. It features a 150-pound weight stack for easy training without added plates and includes attachments like a preacher curl pad and leg press. With high, mid, and low pulley systems plus chest press and fly functions, it targets all muscle groups. Built with sturdy steel, it ensures stability, durability, and versatility for all fitness levels. So if you made it this far, we just want to let you know that this is part 1 of October Walmart deals, and we are planning to upload part 2 next week. So if we missed a product, let us know and we'll include it in the next part. Thanks for watching, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon.